In this guide, you'll learn how to buy NBA Final 2026 ticket from Ticketmaster. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster. Then go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account and make sure to verify email, phone number, and payment details before tickets go live. After logging in, click on the section of sports. Now various options will appear. Click on the option NBA. Now here you're gonna find different matches. Also you're gonna find the option of NBA final tickets. Click on buy tickets. Then select the number of tickets you want and pick your preferred seating section. Lower bowl and courtside seats are usually the most expensive, while upper level seats may be cheaper. Once you find your seats, click next and carefully review your order before checkout. Then enter or confirm your payment method and complete the purchase as quickly as possible because tickets can disappear while you are checking out. After your payment is successful, Ticketmaster will send you a confirmation email and your mobile tickets will appear inside the Ticketmaster app. You can then add tickets to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easier entry on game day. If official tickets are sold out, you can also check out verified resale tickets directly on Ticketmaster or trusted marketplaces like SeatGeek and Vivid Seats, but prices may be significantly higher depending on demand. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.